สวัสดีครับผมชื่อนายโลกิจจันทร์จำใสรหัส520100971 There are various ways of recovering the depth of the oceans. People used to try to measure the depth by dropping very long rope with weights into the water. These ropes were lowered from ships, but because some of the oceans were deep, this was a time-consuming process. Nowadays, waves of sound are used instead of ropes. When sounds are sent through the water to the bed of the ocean, the sounds are reflected by the ocean bed to the surface of the water. The depth of the ocean at the place can be calculated using the travel time of the echo. Today, researchers are designing special machines that can take humans to the bed of the oceans to explore the world of mystery species.